So, and feel free today to use the option if you have any preset thing, or you really need any serious issue with the way back, so feel free to use the option anytime. When you feel ready, please lie on your back, so make sure also the headrest is all the way down, and the strap could be outside on the ground. So play your feet hips with distance and lie on your back. Lie on your back. So take a few seconds to make sure that your heel is still exactly aligned with your knees and also more in line with your toes. And the head rests down, all the way down, bridging. 2 breaths and 1 breath. Okay. So we're going to start on your heel a bit. And just take a deep breath, and as you start, please start to lift the tailbone, and then slowly, so scoop the belly and start to lift your lower back. So make sure that your head is looking while looking the ceiling here. So slow. Smooth articulation in your spine. Beautiful. Okay. At the end, you can squish the side of your glutes. I wanna try to do just 2 more reps. Inhale on the way down. So you can inhale all the way down. And exhale all the way up, or you can use double breath here. So articulate your spine so you can feel a good exercise to extend your lower back, and also maybe release or relieve the lower back pain. Only one more time, all the way down, inhale, and exhale on the way up. Okay, so the next one, just please, you want to stay here. So imagine here that your knees or your legs is pushing to the corner of the wall here at the top. Stay. So from here, stay. So keep the hips. So keep the lengthening in your spine this moment, and just slow press the calves away. Exhale. Inhale as you bend the knees. Exhale, push the calves away. We're going to try only 2 more times. Inhale, bend, and exhale, so make sure that your hips are really tight. And last one, exhale. Okay, back to the center. Take the carriage all the way in. Inhale, and exhale, slow roll down. Can we try the same exercise? If you want, please, you can rotate just a little your toes, like I do an external rotation. And just gonna do 2 exercises, 3 repetitions for each one. Inhale to prepare, exhale to lift your body in a bridge. So first your tailbone, so really articulate your spine, and then inhale, exhale, push the carry away. Only 2 more reps. Inhale, take the carry in, and exhale, push away. Last one, inhale, and exhale. Okay, take the carry all the way in, and slow roll down to the start position. Okay. I would like that you challenge yourself if you want. So take one of your legs in the table pose. So lift one of your legs, but your feet may be hip distance. Take one of your legs into table pose. Just one of your legs. Okay. Inhale and exhale. Lift the tailbone and lift your body again into bridge. Okay. So make sure that you're still using the lower back muscle. And at the end, at the very end of the exercise, you can use a little bit of glutes. Inhale all the way down. Inhale, and exhale all the way up. Exhale, come up. So lift the tailbone, articulate your spine. Stay in the top, stay for a few seconds, Gaston. So you're going to stay. Inhale, and exhale, push the carry away forward just 2 times. Inhale, bend, and exhale, push the carry away. Last one, inhale, and exhale, push the carry away. Take the carriage in and slow roll down. So you can switch leg and just try to do 2 repetitions. A switch leg. So take the other leg into table pose. So beautiful. And now please inhale, exhale, lift the body, start to articulate. So feel vertebral and vertebral lifting up. Inhale all the way down, articulate your spine. Nice. And exhale, go all the way up. From here, stay. Inhale and exhale, push the carry away for 3. Inhale and exhale for 2. Only one more time. Inhale and exhale for 1. Okay, take the carriage in and slow roll down. So we can do exactly the same exercise, keeping your leg straight, but today we're going to move into the next one. Please sit again on the carriage, Please sit again, sit again. Relax, down for that. We're going to use one, long stretches. One red and one yellow string. I'm going to start doing elephant. So we're going to start facing here to the center of the studio. So place your hands, could be a bit wider than shoulder the foot bar, and then place your feet in the center of the carriage. Okay. So you got a really tight hamstring, so maybe you can move your feet a bit backwards, so really close to the shoulder pad. That's perfect fine. Okay. So from here, just keep the lengthening here in your spine, so keep the distance between your shoulder and your ears. Inhale, so push the car away with your feet, with your legs. Inhale, push the car away, and exhale, go in. Inhale, push the car away, and exhale, go in. We're going to try to do 3 more repetitions here. Inhale, nice, and exhale. Last 2 reps. So once again, so you can feel this impulse for strengthening your hamstring and also step. Elephant. One back. I'm so sorry. Thank you. Sorry guys, I was my mistake. Yes, I get confused. So before we start, I would like you to scoop the abdominal. So drop the belly in, and you can keep looking even your belly button or between your legs. And the focus here is about your breath. So once again, please, pushing the car away, inhale, but keep the C shape and you lower back, and exhale, go in. Only 2 more times. Push the car away, inhale, exhale, go in. Last one, inhale, and exhale, go in. Okay, relax. And now place your feet against the foot pad. So put your feet against the foot pad, the shoulder pad. And we're gonna do an inverted beat. And so we're gonna start doing like a beautiful V shape with your body. So for now, please try. So maintain, don't move the carriage for now. V shape.
Susan.
Okay. And now inhale, exhale, push the car away, and you're going to plank. Hold here. Lift again. Inhale, so with your body like a joystick. And exhale, push the car away. Only 1 more time. Inhale, so lift the hips, and exhale, hold. And now from here, stay, so hold into plank position. Just move your shoulder exactly above your
Wrist.
yes, so there. Shoulder back, to back. Inhale, hold, and exhale. Just push the car away. And as getting more mobility in your shoulder. Also, that's really good. You can feel the strengthening your core and your shoulder. Last one, inhale and exhale, push away and relax. So you want please drop the knees. So take the carriage in, drop the knees. And we're gonna chain for 1 rep spring. Yeah. I forgot. You have 1 red, 1. Okay guys, sorry, when I use 1 red and 1 blue again. So place your feet on the headrest and your hands also still on the foot bar a bit wider than shoulder. Down straight. See, and kneel, like this. Okay. So I would like to keep the nice and long spine here. So really brace or engage the abdominals. And from here, please, try to open the chest. So heel, lift and open. Inhale, so move the carry in, inhale, exhale, push the carry away, but keep this shape in your body. Inhale, go up, open the chest, and exhale, push the carry away. Eye gaze, here, and exhale, lift, and open, only one more time. And exhale. Okay, now please, take your hands to the right side, go in. Take your hands to the right side of the foot bar, right side of the foot bar. And we're gonna do exactly the same. So make sure that your hip is still square. So feel maybe the connection between your abdominal, so your core and your glutes here. So keep your hip square. Exhale, push your head away. Inhale, lifting open the chest, and also extend your spine. Inhale and exhale, push away. Last one. Inhale and exhale. Relax. Okay. And now, now we're gonna move into just one red spring. One more time. Place your, I'll take the foot back with your hands, keeping maybe a bit wider than the shoulder, your hands. Standing on the carriage, please. Once again, so feel free to use the option. So you're gonna say maybe gaze, the shoulder rest. Just keep your feet flat for now. Feet flat. Just lift your right leg. Lift your right leg. And try to keep your hip square before to start. Okay. So keep the lengthening here in all your spine, and also really engage the abdominals. So take the carry in first. Inhale, and exhale, just push the carry away with the standing leg. It's just a little bit. Inhale. So the most important here is to keep your hip and your shoulders square. Two more times. Inhale, and exhale, push the carry away.
The shoes were red.
Last one. Yes. Okay. And now switch legs. So we're gonna do exactly the same with another leg. So take a few seconds to reset everything here. Shoulder. Okay. Inhale to prepare. And exhale, push the carry away. Okay, just try that. Go. Try two more time. Inhale, go in. Exhale, push the carry away. Only last one. Beautiful, the lengthen here on your spine, Susan. And last one. Relax. Okay. But again, we want to sprint. Could be one red and one blue. One red and one blue. And this time, so place your hands exactly the same on the foot bar. But now place your feet against the shoulder pad. So you can move into V shape first to prepare. Stay here for a few seconds. And then lift your right leg. So extend your right leg to the ceiling. Just find the best angle for you guys. Inhale, exhale, push the car away. And now you feel the opening on your hips. That's really good to open and also straighten your hip flexor. Try two more times. Exhale, push the car away. Last one. Okay. Switch legs. So take your time, move it slow and control. You can choose the ankle. So feel free here to rotate just a little your hips. That's what we're looking forward, but keep your shoulders square. Right, two more time. And last one. And relax. Okay. I think I like this shoulder, but anyway. Okay, please stay on the carriage, but keep the one right and one blue. Kneeling on the carriage if you want. So we're gonna start like that. For me, maybe we have them on there set up, but I prefer like this. So first, lift the knees. So lift the knees. And make sure maybe that your glute is still a bit higher. Okay, into plank. And from here, extend your legs, move your body into plank. Plank position. Is your arm like this? Okay. Just bend the knees, could be 90 degrees. Inhale, bend, and exhale, push the car away. Inhale, bend, so make sure that you sit down, moving exactly in line with the knees. That's good. Let me see a bit lower. Last one. And relax. Okay. So the next one I will do is another.
¿Te queda mucho que no sé?
Yes, this is just those nice stretches. I think I'm going to teach.
Cambien style, cambien style.
Wait. Short box. Short box, please. And I just all the spring. Just gonna do 3 exercises. 3 exercises? Yep. Just 3 or 4, but that's good. So put the bar down, the foot bar down, short box, and all the spring. All the spring. So we're gonna sit here. We're gonna use the box, short box. Sit to the foot bar. So once again, so for the next one, you can management the range of the exercise, okay? So you make any modification, please. If you feel pain in your lower back, something like that, just let me know, especially the first exercise. So now put your feet on the strap, feet strap here. The sitting may be 1 hand distance between the edge of the box. Okay? So you can place your hands maybe like beautiful genius here. Okay? Keep your shoulder away from the ears and feel the body weight on your sit bone. Sit bone. So take a deep breath and start to scoop the abdominals, roll down slow. So your belly, your tailbone is moving like up. You can inhale at the bottom and exhale, go all the way up. We're gonna try 2 more times. Inhale, exhale, slow roll down. Hold at the bottom, inhale and exhale all the way up. Only 1 more time. Inhale at the top, exhale, slow all the way down. So really strengthening the core, you can feel. Last one. Okay, so you can use just 1 breath. You can inhale here, exhale, slow roll down. You want to challenge yourself. Inhale all the way up, inhale all the way up, and exhale all the way down. That's the option that you can challenge yourself. Okay. I don't finish from here, so maintain, so keep this beautiful leg that Susan keep at this moment. So keep the distance between your shoulder and your ears, and now rotate to the right side. So once again, we need to scoop the abdominals, inhale, and slow, please roll down, and get a little crank the obliques. Inhale in the bottom, exhale, roll up, hold, stay. We're gonna do 2 more times, and that's fine. Inhale, exhale, slow roll down. You can keep looking the back shoulder. Inhale in the bottom, exhale, roll up. Last one, inhale and exhale, slow roll down. Inhale in the bottom and exhale, roll up. Reset at the center, change to the other side. Inhale and exhale, slow roll down. So make sure on your sit bone, you feel the body weight resting on your sit bone. Same. Exhale, roll down. You can inhale in the bottom. So scoop the abdominals and roll up. Only 1 more time. Inhale, exhale, slow down. Or you can inhale all the way up and exhale on the way down. Great. So place your hands behind your ears. So try to open your chest, but really feel working your core. Especially here, you can manage the range. Okay? So inhale, so keep really low your spine and flat back. Exhale, go. So lean back, but keep flat your upper body. Inhale in the bottom, inhale, come on up, inhale in the top, and exhale, roll down off. Just lean back.
Hinge back.
Inhale, just 2 more times. Exhale, hinge back. Last one. Inhale and exhale. Okay, great. And now please, turn your body facing here, facing me. Just look at me. Great. And take your bottom leg, or in this case, your left leg, Bend your knee on the box, facing here. Your top leg is still on the feet strap. So once again, please, you can put your fingers behind the ears, or if you want, interlock the fingers behind your hair. It's up to you. So we're gonna start slow. Feel free to use the option I say many times. Thank you. If you want, maybe you want to make it easy, you can put your hands, keep your hands in front. That's perfect, fine. So we're gonna start just moving your body, your torso, like halfway down, but keep your shoulder, your head square. Hold here and exhale back all the way up. So first, I would like that you keep and feel the lengthening here in your spine. Don't lose the shape. I mean, keep your head and your shoulder square. Last one, and exhale. Wait, stay. And now please try to go all the way down. Imagine you want to raise the head rest and then halfway up. So really activate the release. Inhale and exhale, go in. Only one more time. And exhale, go in and relax. Change to the other side. ¿Cómo se dice hernia? ¿Hernia? Hernia. Okay.
Hernia disc.
If you have any kind of issue in your lower back, please don't try this one. I prefer you keep this facing up, working with your flat back. Okay, so once again, just 3 reps, and I think for now we can finish here. So halfway down, inhale, and exhale, go all the way up, just halfway, Gaston.
Oh, sorry.
The shoulder square, beautiful. That's one more time. Inhale, and exhale, and now please try to go all the way down. Exhale, halfway up. Just here, activate your release. Can you feel here at the work? 2 more time. Exhale, and last one, relax.
Thank you.
I think for now we can